welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to close Venmo account and withdraw funds. Firstly, what you need to do is open the Venmo app and tap the Me tab. After that, what you can do is tap the settings gear icon on the top right and select transfer money or transfer balance. After you tap on transfer money and transfer balance, choose you prefer transfer speed. Secondly, what you can do is download your transaction history. Go to the Venmo website from a desktop browser and log in. Click settings in the left hand sidebar and find the statement or transaction history sections and click download CSV to save your files. Thirdly, what you can do is to close the account, tap the Me tab, then settings gear icon on the top right. After you tap on settings gear icon, tap account under your preferences, and next what you can do is tap close Venmo account and tap on continue and follow the final prompts to delete it. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.